Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share you how to create a selection screen for TMG Table Maintenance Generator. For example, we have a database table, it's transparent table. It contains some fields. Yeah. And in delivery and maintenance tab, we at the data browser table view editing, we set in display mention allow, and we have a maintenance view for the database table. In the maintenance view, we in the top table chart condition, we include the database table and some relation table to the main table to get description. Yeah. In the tab view fields, uh, we include fields we will show in the TMG screen. And in maintenance status, data browser table view editing is also display maintenance allows. And depend on the maintenance view, we create table maintenance generator. In table maintenance generator, we should set authorization rule, function rule, assign the package, and we set all maintenance type one step, maintenance screen. Oh, we only use overview screens. And in this example, I also set some events for TMG. For example, for event 01 and 05. In event 01, yeah, I select the description for some field of the main table. For example, I get material description for material number, color name for color code, factory name for factory code, and in event 05, before saving, I put some logic for validation. Yeah. And I set values to update user, update date, the time. Yes, in this video, the main reason I will share you how to create a selection screen for TMG. So I don't show you very detailed how to create TMG. Yeah. So before create a selection screen for TMG, we need a TMG. Yeah. Okay. And the next, and now we come to the main content. We create a program. In the table, there's a lot of fields, and in this example, I need to filter on factory material number and valid from. So in the program I declare 3 select options for each. Yeah, and I also declare constant for the view name. This is the view, mention view. Uh, Constant for gc underscore u, value u mean update, and constant gc underscore n, the value n. uh, okay, internal table, selection top, field name. Yeah, yeah, for each select option, uh, and field in the table, I will call the standard function module view rank tab to select. Yeah, with exporting it first we grade for factory, so the field name factory. Yeah, at BAM Junction, and yeah, and just return the inner table GD cell tab, and the rank tab we said is a factory. Yeah, so this is for factory field, or the same for material number, and the same for valid from. Yeah, with the field type date. It is a special case. We need to convert to external value. So you see, I loop to the result GD cell tab with the field, with the view field valid from, and I convert to external value for valid from, and the last step I call the standard function module view mention call. This function model is for call the mention string for mention view. The action is u means update. It's in the view name. View name is mention view. Complex select condition u ex, and in the table we set the inner table GD cell type. Yeah, GD cell type is the result of this. Yeah, last but not least, we create a change in code for program. Yes, now we can test. Yeah, when we run a change in code, you can see there are 3 select options for filtering factory material and date. In the database table, there are 7 records with 2 factory, this factory and this factory. And for example, we need to filter only this factory SQ. You can see in the TMG screen we show the data depend on the selection screen. In this factory valid from, for example, this, you only do filter valid from 6 December. Yeah, yeah. In the table, only one record valid from 6 December. Assemble in there are two record. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 6. No, 1 and 6. Yeah. So it should be 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Valid from 1st of June 2023. 1st of June. Yeah. Yeah, at 2 record. 1st of June. Yeah. Yeah. It's equal. Yeah. Equal is factory. Equal. Yeah. Valid from 1st of June. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more helpful video for you in the future. Thank you again. See you in next video.